Welcome to Yijin Hardware's channel. Today, we're exploring the world of Swiss CNC machining, a manufacturing process that has revolutionized precision part production. So what exactly is Swiss CNC machining? Originating in Switzerland, this technique was developed for watchmaking, where tiny, intricate parts are essential. Unlike traditional CNC machining, Swiss machines use a guide bushing to support the material throughout the cutting process. Here's why this matters. The guide bushing minimizes movement of the material even when machining very thin or long parts. This stability enables tolerances as tight as 0.001 inches, making it ideal for precision components. Simply put, Swiss CNC machining excels where accuracy, consistency, and small part production are priorities. How does Swiss CNC machining work? Swiss CNC machining operates with a unique sliding headstock design, which sets it apart from conventional CNC machining. Here's how it works. The raw material, usually in the form of a bar, is continuously fed through the guide bushing. Cutting tools are stationed along multiple axes to simultaneously perform operations like turning, milling, drilling, and threading. The headstock moves the material while tools stay stationary, enabling highly detailed cuts. Why is this design significant? The guide bushing allows machining close to the cutting tool, reducing vibrations. This means Swiss machines can handle very slender parts or produce long components without sacrificing precision. For industries needing parts as small as 0.02 inches in diameter, this method is invaluable. Swiss CNC machining offers several advantages. Precision. It's ideal for parts requiring tolerances as tight as 0.01 inches. Efficiency. With simultaneous operations, cycle times are drastically reduced. Versatility. It handles materials from tiny medical implants to aerospace components. Minimal waste. The process is highly efficient, maximizing material usage. You'll find Swiss machining in industries that demand the highest precision. Medical, surgical tools, dental implants, and orthopedic screws. Aerospace, connectors and intricate fasteners. Luxury goods, high-end watch components, and jewelry parts. What sets Swiss machining apart? It's the ability to produce high volumes of small, complex parts with incredible consistency. If you're looking for both precision and efficiency, Swiss CNC machining delivers every time. At Yijin Hardware, we specialize in Swiss CNC machining to deliver precision parts for industries worldwide. Our expertise ensures top-quality results, competitive pricing, and fast lead times. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your network. For premium Swiss CNC machining services, contact Yijin Hardware today. See you next time.